In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to register for Apex trading account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to apextraderfunding.com. I'll also put a link to it down in the description. From here, it should look something like this. And here you'll see that you can get started and even get 80% off. Once you click get started, you'll be going down to the wealth chart plan, where you can select the specific plan that is most suitable for you. You can choose between all of these, either from 25k to over $300,000 of accounts. If you click on a specific account or plan that you want to choose, you'll go into this page right here, where you can see it is supported with wealth charge. But from here, you'll simply need to go down, and here you'll need to select whether or not that you are owned by a company. And if you are, you'll just need to click this and enter in your company details. But if you are an individual person, you'll just need to scroll down and enter your full name, your email address, a username for your account, password, country, street, city, state, zip code, and phone number. Down here, you can also optionally click I agree to whether or not you want promotional mails from Apex Trader Funding. And down here, you'll need to select that you have read and agreed to the user agreement, and I request immediate access to my account. Down here, you can also select whether or not you're a non-professional user or a professional trader. This will only make different of some of the rules that you can read down here. Once you've done that, you'll simply click next and then enter your credit card details and information and then pay for your plan. Once you've done that, you'll get access to the Apex Trader Funding dashboard, where you can then connect to either Wealth Chart, Trade Locker, or TradingView, or any other trading platform that you desire. That's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!